Hey folks,
Hi everybody.
Two Indie Travelers here, and today we're in southern Indiana, French Lick,
Yes.
the home of Larry the Legend Bird. But we're not doing anything Larry the Legend today.
No.
Although what we are doing is legendary. We're going to take a train ride through the hills in the National Forest here in southern Indiana.
Yes.
It's a fall day, a little crisp. Leaves are beginning to change.
They look beautiful.
Yeah.
We're gonna showcase them.
Yeah.
They're the star of this video.
Got that right. So folks, let's go on a train ride. Yay! So buckle up and buckle in.
Let the Scenic Railway experience begin.
You got that right. Come on. So we're going to head in and get our tickets from Will Call. Now you can go online and actually purchase your tickets and go to Will Call. Now with this particular train ride that we're doing, this is called the Scenic Train Ride, and the ticket prices range between $30 to $85 depending upon the type of car you're riding in. Now when you arrive, you'll want to go to the ticket station and pick those things up, but they've also got this very nice gift shop inside the actual train station. As you can see, there's a lot of things to be had. So enjoy yourself, walk around, find something you can take home as a souvenir. I believe we're ready to go.
Oh, boy! Welcome, everybody.
All right.
All right, you're good to go. Oh, you're over there? Up to the left, yes.
Now the historic train station we just departed, or the depot we just departed from, was constructed back in 1907 and was made from the historical limestone that you find here in Indiana. Such a great building, just beautiful. Now this is an interactive museum because many of the train coaches that you are riding in are nearly 100 years old. So this is a living, breathing museum. Just a wonderful time. Look at the scenery. Now the train ride lasts about an hour and 45 minutes and just takes you through these really beautiful areas, through the Hoosier National Forest. Look at the scenery, it's beautiful.
Yes, those of you that inevitably ask the question, why are all the trees down? We did have a tornado that crossed our tracks about right where the...
We are now entering the Burton Tunnel. The Burton Tunnel is 2,200 feet in length. And what's amazing is this was actually cut through the bed of the Indiana limestone. The entire tunnel. It's just amazing. One of the other interesting things about this particular train ride is the train ride basically just runs a single rail. It'll take you down, it'll stop, there's a little village area, and on a good day they'll let you get out and walk around that village. And they basically just take the train in reverse and take you back to the train station. As we are now approaching the train station, as our trip has ended, I'm going to show you around some of the other cars that they have. It's pretty cool. So stick around. And here's a glimpse of one of the historic passenger cars. Now I'm going to take you into the Scenic Rail car. They also have a dining area. And as you can see, heading up the stairs, it really opens up and just creates this wonderful, wonderful view. Imagine going down the railway and having this view. It's just amazing. I just had to come down and take a look at this historic steam engine train. This thing is just awesome. Look at this. Old 97. Gotta love it. Well, folks, that was a lot of fun.
It was fun.
Yeah, the French Lick Historic Railroad. The Scenic Railroad.
Yes.
Yeah, I had a little bit of rain today. We were in the open air car, which was pretty cool. So you get a wide open view of everything. So it was a lot of fun.
It was fun.
Yeah.
I just wish the sun had come out.
Yeah, it's a little rainy, a little cloudy, but it feels like fall.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, so folks, that's going to wrap it up. And I'll tell you what, until next time, see you next time. What?
It just makes me laugh. I don't know.
All right.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll have some more fun fall videos ahead.
You got that right. Come on.